Ideal solution. This space-saving spare wheel and tire fits into the compartment designed to hold the original equipment donut. Road ready. Tire is mounted on rim and already inflated. Purchase a spare tire and jack tool kit separately. Vehicle specific. Sturdy steel wheel and durable rubber tire are designed to fit specified Honda, Hyundai and Kia vehicles. Cost-effective, can help avoid an expensive tow and a time-consuming repair at a tire center. No spare tire? Be prepared for a flat when you have this temporary space-saver wheel and tire designed to match the factory spare wheel and tire on select Honda, Hyundai and Kia models. It comes ready for installation with a rugged tire already mounted and inflated on a sturdy steel rim, and will fit into the compartment designed to hold the original donut. Please note this does not come with a jack or tire changing tools. A matching Dorman spare tire and jack tool kit is available separately. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Does not fit 22 Forte, or any other third gen. With the stock jack kit foam piece on top of this, the floor liner can't lay flat like it's supposed to. This wheel is just a little too thick. It is a high-quality product though.